guys, Stacy Smiley here with Smiles for Plans. I just got an order from the Washi Tape Shop. I thought I'd share it with you guys. It's an order I placed about a month ago. Since it's coming from Japan, it takes just a little while to get here, just so you know. And I live in Michigan, so to kind of give you an idea. But their products are so pretty. I love their tape. So let's see what I ordered. I don't even remember. It's been a while. So it all comes in this, all separately wrapped inside a bubble wrap. Ooh, and I got some gifts in here too. Ooh wee! All right. The Washi Tape Shop. I'll set those aside for now. I don't remember if I ordered those or if they're freebies. I'll have to let you know in the description down below since I cannot remember off the top of my head. Alright, so I got 3 sets here. Ooh, I love how they put these on here. So this one obviously you can tell is going to be a gingham pattern. This is going to be floral and this is going to be floral. It doesn't say what they are on the bottom, just that they're washi tape. Okay, good to know. So we'll start with this one. Just gonna pop it open here. Sorry for all the noise. I'm sure this is gonna sound just lovely on the video. It's like opening a present on Christmas. How exciting! Ooh, yes. I'll also list the names of what these are down below since I am not remembering off the top of my head what they're called either. Ooh, these are pretty. This is like scholarly, musical. Very pretty. Set those aside. Let's check out this one. Ooh, I must have, this one I think is one of the brand new ones. So we've got floral, music, flowers. I think there's violin in here. These look like little stamps. I'll show you in just a minute. I'll pull these apart after I get them all open for you. And then here's my, oh, goodness. Can't get this one popped open. This is my gingham one, or checks, or whatever you want to call it. Grid. Maybe grid washi. And my fingers are not long enough. Alright, let's get these out of here. We'll hold these all in one spot for you. Alright, let's see if I could do it this way. We'll use the middle finger because I know they're longer. So here we go. I'm liking these. These are pretty. Now I don't currently have any pattern like this one, so it'll be a little different decorating with it in my books. These ones I'm not going to test out on paper or rip open just because the pattern repeats itself all the way through. But for these, I'll go ahead and open them up for you so you can see. So this is the one with the violins, music, and the stamps here. Pull that off for a second, and then I'll show you. Maybe I should turn it this way so you can actually read it. And it looks like we repeat. Those are cute. Those make for fun add-ins on my page. The next one is look like individuals. So are these actually washi, or do these come off like, ooh, maybe they do, oh, they do come off like stickers. You can see right here as the background, as I peel the background off. So they're already pre-cut. Oh, now that'll make this super nice. So we got, aw, music notes, sayings. All right, here, I'll just kind of run through this with you so you can see yourself. And we have a piano. And then it looks like we're gonna repeat again. These are cute. Oh, I'm getting excited already. This is gonna be so much fun playing with these. I've got so much new stuff, you guys. I don't know what to do. What do I use first? Do you guys have any washi tape? What ones are your favorites? I'm curious. Which ones do you think are the best go-tos? Maybe ones that I need. These, let's see. Oh, that's just a pattern. Okay. So this one is just solid washi. It looks like it's gonna repeat right here. We got this one. This one's pretty. All flowers. This one's also just straight up washi. This looks kind of like a blackish background. This way? This way? Yeah, definitely goes this way. Then we repeat the pattern right here. Very pretty. All right, now I'll dig out this one, this set here. I'll go through them with you. Oh, this is ooh. It's like dominoes falling over. All right, oh, let's get back in the picture here. Sorry. And this one looks like it's just another washi. It's kind of almost like a brownish red. Very simple pattern on this one. I wanted more of the fall colors, more of the darker colors. Since I like to use the pastels and lights during the summertime. I must have had a musical theme going on when I picked these out. Because I noticed they all have some sort of music on them. I'm not sure about this. This piece of tape doesn't want to come up. It's taking way too long, guys. Sorry about this. Okay. It's a little frustrating. Here we go. There we go. And this one's one long strip of washi tape as well. And we repeat. So we've got 2 violins within the same pattern. Very cool. Pale background, music notes, some roses in the back. This one's got words. This one's really pale, very neutral. Looks like more flowers in the background. Some lighter, some darker. Just another washi strip. Really pretty flowers. Very, very pretty. And then we start again. This one's another black background. This one looks a lot like the other one. Are these the same, I wonder? I'll get it open and then we'll see. That would be pretty interesting. Oh my goodness, what is going on with this tape today? It's sticking in my fingers. It doesn't want to come off the paper. We're going this way then. So then we'll start here. This one's got a smaller pattern. As you can see, we've got two sets of patterns here in this roll. Now, like I said, I'm curious, what's the difference? Are these the same? Are they different? Oh, they got a little bit of different flower in it. Okay. Oops, sorry. I'm looking at myself instead of showing you guys. My bad. Sorry, guys. Yeah, they are. They've got the same coloring in them, but a different pattern. Well, that's good then. I can use them, coordinate them. They'll still go together. Two different packs. Works. Okay, and then the last one here are books. I figured this would be really cool for my doing a book page. I never used to like reading when I was younger, but I sure do read a lot now. And I love books. I love the smell of them. It's funny. I love the books, but I actually read more on the e-reader than I do actual books. Although I've got a whole bookshelf full of books. I collect them. I guess you can say I'm a book collector. All right, so let's see. What else did I get in here? Got some fall floral stickers. I have to look and see what these are actually called. Bring them up close so you guys can see. Some pretty, oh, maybe the other way. Here we go. Now the bottles aren't upside down. Aww, they're so cute. Yeah, I think I ordered these. I remember now. All the lovely wildlife. So cute. Definitely wanted to make some fall layouts here. Okay, and then this one. I don't think they're the same, are they? Maybe I order two of them? Maybe I did. Well, aren't I a goofy? Wonder why I did that. Okay, so it's the same thing again. Somehow I ordered two. I will take both. There's nothing wrong with that. Alright guys, well that's all I've got. So I got a duplicate set of fall stickers. I've got set 1. Set 2. Can you guys see these hopefully? And then my set 3. Take the paper out of the way. And all from the Washi Shop. Thanks for watching. Have a great day, guys. Catch you later. Remember, keep smiling.